Hey guys, have you ever wanted to post a cute couple's photo on Instagram, but for all kinds of reasons, you just can't seem to take a good one? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create a perfect couple's photo. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Create couple's photo. Once you open Edimakor, head over to the Media section and choose Image Generator under AI Image. Then, click Reference Image. In the model list, you'll see 4 options. For this tutorial, I'm using the newest Google Nano Banana Pro, a professional-grade image generation model that executes prompts faster and more accurately. Go ahead and upload your photos, then type in your prompt. If you don't have any ideas, you can use the prompt generator to help spark your creativity. I've also prepared a sample prompt for you. You can find the link in the description, and you can copy it and tweak the actions or background however you like. Now set your aspect ratio and output quantity, then hit Generate. And just like that, your couple's photo is ready, as if you two actually went to Sunset Beach. If the result isn't exactly what you wanted, simply click Re-edit to adjust your prompt and generate a new version. Here, I'm going to modify the background in the prompt and generate again. And there we go. Now we've taken another photo together at a coffee shop. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.